but the uncertainty which we faced, the risks that we faced, the health hazards that we faced, and the safety for citizens that was at question was something that we had to keep in mind and keep the health, the lives, and the safety of our people as priority. And hence, there were challenges, but I thank you all for the support that you showed during those difficult times. The way that the communities came together was unprecedented, and in fact, even the Honorable Prime Minister, even the other organizations like WHO have really mentioned about the way the community participation in Shillong and in Meghalaya had come together to fight the COVID-19 pandemic that we had. So I do take this opportunity to once again thank all of you, especially the Dorbar, the Rangbah Shillong, and entire member of the Dorbar Shillong who had come together to make this happen. And let me assure you, as we move forward, we are opening up, we are coming to normalcy. We have allowed schools to open, we have allowed markets to open, we have allowed the religious programs now to take place. So we are almost back to normalcy, and I do hope that we don't see any more complications coming in the future, so that all our lives could get back on track. So let's hope for the best and keep praying that this COVID and this pandemic is behind us, so that we can all work together in the coming days to build up our city and our state. So with these few words, once again, I wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much. Kublai, Butela, and Jai Hind.